Hey everybody, James Tierney here with Tierney Education, located in State College, Pennsylvania, which you probably know if you're here for this specific video, but it is the home of Penn State University. I'm a former econ professor here at the university who started his own education company to help students navigate Penn State and other institutions around the country. Today's video is a remake of one I made last year that for some reason YouTube got rid of the audio so no one can hear anything, so we're just going to make it again. It is about using the transfer credit tool for Penn State University. This tool will help you as a family figure out if courses at your home, community college or state school will transfer back to Penn State. So we're starting here at Google. I think it's the easiest place to go to just type in transfer credit tool Penn State. That'll bring you up to the transfer credit evaluation page for undergraduate admissions. You can find this page through just going through Penn State's homepage itself, but I think it's easier just to Google it. I will make sure that I add a lot of these links to the description below the video as well. The first page that you'll come to is actually just going to be talking about what transfer credits are. It will be important to go through this and kind of make sure that you're understanding what will not transfer. And honestly, you should talk with your academic advisor or the academic advisor for your student before you make any decision with transferring. They can see a lot of things on the back end, if there's a credit window you have to get to, or if certain classes like in the business school must be taken at Penn State. So you should always throw everything by your academic advisor who can see the kind of inner workings of your transcript. So this page is going to talk about what transferring is, and if you scroll about halfway down, there will be the transfer credit tool. This is where you have to go into. Now, they don't make it easy because you click it there, you think it would open it, but no, you have to open a second one. And again, I will make sure that I have both that transfer credit page and the tool itself linked in the description below. So here is the transfer credit tool. You can see you could search by institution and then search by Penn State course. Most people are trying to take a specific course. I actually have not helped anyone by searching by institution. Now, I guess if you're just trying to get some credits, maybe you have a home institution, you want to see what is transferable there. But we're going to show like searching for a specific Penn State course. So we click on that. And you'll see over here, it'll be the course name. Let's just go with something like Stat 200. I see a lot of students lately trying to take statistics outside of Penn State, which is perfectly understandable. Maybe during the summer, you're trying to get ahead on some credits. So you click on the Stat 200. And what you can do is you can click on the Show All button. And this is going to show every single university that can transfer a course in for Stat 200. Now, it'll be in alphabetical order, so if you have a specific one you're looking for, you can use that. However, what I think is better, so let's say you live in New Jersey, the best thing to do, open parentheses, NJ, close parentheses, and what this will show is all of the colleges that are in New Jersey, right? Or let's say you live in Florida, and over the summer, your student is thinking about, taking an online class through, Florida State University. You can click on it, click search, and it'll show the exact class you should be looking for and that it transfers over to Stat 200. It will give effective dates, so just be on the lookout. Some of them may have expired and you might have to ask for it to be renewed, but this one is good until 2023. So now you have the information that you know of what is going to transfer. Of course, that's not the last step. You're going to have to go and talk with Florida State University, see what they need. Maybe they need a transcript. Maybe they need you to do a full application. Who knows what it is, but at least you know that once you get that course, you'll be able to transfer it back to Penn State. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. You can email me directly, james@tierneyeducation.com. You can go to our website, tiernyeducation.com, and submit a contact us form. If you have any questions at all, please reach out. Take care.